Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Rio Cobre water treatment plant and we are giving you a tour of the construction of this plant. Now this is a mega development taking place in Jamaica. So the Kingston metropolitan area, Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, is where you find the majority of Jamaicans living, over a million people. And when Kingston was formed, the population wasn't as big as it is now. So the two dams that were there were able to supply the water needed for Kingston. But over time, as the population increased, housing developments increased, no new dam was built. So there is a water shortage in Jamaica. The two dams that are there cannot provide the water needed when there is a drought. Can't do it. There is too much demand. So the government is spending over $12 billion to bring water from the Rio Cobre to Kingston. They're going to bring about 15 million gallons of potable water, that's water you can drink, to Kingston every day. That will solve the problem. That's more than enough water. That will solve the problem and that will also ensure that as Kingston grows, there will be no water shortage. As Portmore grows, they won't have water issues. As Spanish Town grows, no more water issues. So this is a very important project. Now, as you can see, it's not close to being completed, but the good thing is it's on its way. And I'm just assuming it's China Harbour Engineering Company doing the work. I'm not 100% sure, I'm just assuming because this is a massive project. Alright, so we're going to give you an update on this project. The Rio Cobre water treatment plant is one of Jamaica's largest and most important water infrastructure projects, designed to strengthen potable water supply for St. Catherine, Kingston, and St. Andrew. The plant is being constructed at Content St. Catherine and draws raw water from the Rio Cobre River. The project is valued at approximately US 77 million or 12 billion Jamaican dollars and is expected to become Jamaica's second largest water treatment plant. Once completed, it will be capable of producing about 15 to 15.5 million imperial gallons of treated water per day.